Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Jeep, please help me subscribe to the channel, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2015 Jeep Patriot 2.4. So right now the problem is with the check engine light, and it's the throttle body control system. So now here I bought the throttle body right here. This one cost me around $230. If you guys want a really good one, it costs you around like almost $400. But this is the part number right here, and then the gasket for it. And then to get to the throttle body, you're gonna take out the top air tube right here, the sensor, and then the two clamps, one right here, one down on the throttle body, which is sitting all the way down there, right there. For the connector right here, you're gonna press on both sides, right here. Press on the tab both sides, pull it out, and then there's 4 bolts holding on to the throttle body. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're gonna loosen this bolt right here because it's the bracket on top of the throttle body. You can see this bracket right here, right there, and then once you take out all the bolts, it comes right off. There you go. Here's my old one, and let me see if there's a part number on here. No part number at all. Oh yeah, there is, but it's too dirty to see. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's the part number right there, original. And here's my new one. Now I'm gonna be putting in my new one. Since you're here, check out the throttle body connector. Make sure the pin in here is not damaged or corroded. Make sure the wires in the back is good. There's no damage or rip or open. I'm gonna be replacing the throttle body gasket too. And then before you putting in the new one, make sure you guys wipe the oil around the manifold a little bit. So take out the gasket and put in the new one. Got the new one in already. Tying down the 4 bolts, reconnect my connector, and the one on the bracket right here too, also tightened down. So now just need to put back the air tube and reconnect your sensor. I got everything put back into place already. So what happened to the old throttle body is that when the customer, when she gassed the car, it feels like, she said, like it was like choking. And then I test drive it. It does the same thing too when the door right here opens. Sometimes it opens too slow, or it doesn't want to open. The car feels like it's choking. It's just, it doesn't want to go. You press on the gas, sometimes it goes, sometimes it doesn't. I have the key on. This was the original code. Don't worry about these. I forgot to turn off the car when I take out the parts, so that's why it's throwing those codes. But this is the original code. There you go. I'm gonna clear it now. This one just plug and play. You don't have to relearn the throttle body. There you go. Code is cleared. Key off. Turn it back on. There you go. That's it. Try it again. Key off. Turn it back on. So that is it for this video, guys. Just a throttle body replace. If you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. You guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.